Severe weather could threaten parts of the country this weekend. Forecasters say a major storm could bring heavy snow and blizzard conditions across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic.
So as you probably noticed, Annie and I are back in New York City. Last time we were in New York, we were actually here for a friend's birthday. And coincidentally, that's actually the same reason why we're here today. But yeah, this time around, we got ourselves a hotel room because after hitting the town and a night of drinking, the last thing you want to do is take an hour-and-a-half train ride back home. So, you know, the hotel rates weren't too bad. So we decided to grab a room. So apparently we're supposed to have one of the biggest snowstorms of the year tonight, and apparently it's already begun.
Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal. Although you got buku family, you don't even got nobody being honest with you. Breathe till I evaporate. My whole body see through. Transportation handmade.
Nice camera.
And I know it better than most people. I don't trust them anyway. You can't break the law with them. Get some good shit, have a calm night. Shooters killing left and right. Working through your worst night. If I get my money right, you know I won't need you. And I tell you, I hope the sack is full up. I'm fucked up. Spend it when I get that. I ain't tryna keep you. Can't keep up a conversation. Can't nobody read you. Why your eyes well up? Did you call me from a seance? You were from my past life. Hope you're doing well, bro. I've been out here head first. Always like that.
That boy skirted.
Someday I'm
Good morning. Last night was a good time. We went to a really nice Italian restaurant. The food was delicious. And then afterwards we went out to a few bars. It was actually kind of tough trying to find a nice cocktail bar where we could just sit and have drinks that wasn't just blasting music in your ears. But anyways, afterwards we started walking back and the snow was really starting to pick up. And this is what we woke up to this morning. Yeah, so it's an absolute blizzard out there. This really makes the task of getting home complicated because we have to take an hour-and-a-half train back up to Connecticut. But yeah, this should make getting home interesting. And I'm not even really sure how much snow is down there, but I'm sure we'll find out as soon as we get down. Hi, I'm just looking to check out, please.
Checking out? I can put the room with these. What room? Thank you very much.
Okay.
We'll check them out.
Thank you. Alright, so we've checked out of our hotel and we're venturing out into the cold to get some breakfast. Found this bagel place on Google that's about a quarter of a mile away, so we're headed there now through this blizzard. Yeah, it is snowing quite hard, so I might put this camera away soon. Alright, so Annie and I just made it back to our apartment. The trains actually weren't delayed at all despite the blizzard out there, which I'm super thankful for. We were actually able to get back in a timely manner. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go take a shower now and warm up. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you next time.